I'm extremely shocked that the learned trial judge remanded them. I'm shocked. This case doesn't require a remand. The police didn't make a good case for a remand. And you see, you read Oko versus the Republic, the days of Taylor J. You read the decision of Oko versus the Republic, then say yes, the law is alive. In this particular case, what I witnessed in court, I don't think a good case was made for a remand. As the judge himself accepted, quite a number of the offenses are misdemeanors. When we say a misdemeanor in law, it means that the sentence would be a fine. It ranges from a fine up to a maximum of 3 years, right? So where there is a risk that if you start punishing the person even before a trial, okay, it would infringe the rights of the accused. Just grant bail quickly. Grant bail. That is why do you think the Supreme Court did a non-bailable decision, Kpebu number 2 versus Attorney General number 2? It's because of this same kind of abuse. I'm telling you that what I witnessed in court, there was no need for a remand. I'm very, very confident of what I saw.
The court was concerned that there was no certainty in where these persons live, and then you cannot be assured if they would stand trial.
Oh no, there's usually judges would make orders for bail and ask that the Ghana card or passport, etc. So number one, the Ghana card details of the accused be furnished to the registrar. Then number two, a passport order. That is to say the passport is seized. And then things about the police go to verify. So remember that before somebody is released from custody after the bail, the police go with the person to verify the abode and the sureties. Yes, they go to verify. So when you see that somebody is standing as surety for an accused, I'm telling you that before the accused is released, the police will go to the homes of these sureties to verify.
So it's not necessary at this time for them to have provided all this data to help the judge to take a decision?
It wasn't. It's a question of style. So where the judge himself or herself wants to inspect that data, the judge would say, no, please provide that for me, when the judge wants to inspect. Otherwise, it's part of the norm, the practice that when bail is granted, you interview any CID here, they will tell you that when bail is granted, the surety just don't show up in court and start signing the bail form. No, they would go to the house of the sureties to check. And also by practice, they check the homes of the accused. So that's a no-brainer at all. It's a no-brainer. I'm telling you, verify from an experienced CID. When we say CID, that's usually the investigators of the cases.
Do we have to wait 2 weeks or something can be done for these persons to be released?
Yeah, a lot can be done. So there can be either one, abridgment of the time for the hearing of the case. That's to say, instead of if, we can bring a fresh an application to this same court to explain why the hearing should be moved forward. That's brought before the if, maybe by 1st or 2nd of October, or a fresh application, we call it repeat application, can be made to the High Court.
There's a case of a pregnant woman that has got a lot of people talking. The Deputy Attorney General has said her lawyers didn't do well by bringing the information to the notice of the attention of the judge. Do you think this response is enough, or the state can do more for this particular person?
It's certainly not enough. It's a mockery. The Deputy Attorney General says so. Which one of them? Kpebu or the? It's a mockery. I'm surprised that Mr. Kpebu would say that. What did they see as an officer of the court when he saw the pregnant woman? What did he think? What did he think?
He says that the state didn't know.
Yes.
The state didn't know.
Now they've been told. You know, there is a case where a judge gave a very harsh sentence, an unlawful sentence, last year. And the Attorney General himself did the appeal. So let Kpebu hear that his boss, Godfrey Dame, even did an appeal for an accused person when the sentence was unlawful. So in the same way, once they heard that this or painful a pregnant woman, they are supposed to do the same thing. The same thing. They should be the ones rushing back to the court to ask for bail for the pregnant woman.
Thank you.